How to add filters on WhatsApp video call. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now what you have to do is just go to the Play Store application on your device, and on the Play Store application, make sure that you search for this WhatsApp Beauty Camera application. WhatsApp Beauty Camera. So here you can see different options that are available for you. So you can choose any of the options, but I would prefer you to go for this BIP application. So just install this application on your device, and whenever you do video call on WhatsApp, make sure to open up this application as well, and your problem will be solved and you'll be able to add filter on WhatsApp video call. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.